everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 29th to the 2nd of September 2022 on Monday. Flora finds a new way to help a loved one. Kate reveals information that surprises Zweli. Lindiwe is ready to hunt down her enemies on Tuesday. Things get intense at Refilwe as the trail continues. Nkanyiso makes a hard decision and Nomonde is having doubts about her plans on Wednesday. Lindiwe and Zolani are at odds and the Refilwe catches fire on Thursday. The Hlophe skeleton starts rattling in their cardboard and Kabzela's truth on the stand reopens some old wounds on Friday. Unsavory truth come out and Bukhosi find himself in an all new position of helplessness while Nomonde find herself butting head with her one true supporter. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.